This is the Clean Water Card. It represents wastewater treatment and improved water management along the coast. In the game, this opportunity card provides 6 oxygen resources. When wastewater is properly treated before entering rivers or the sea, fewer excess nutrients and pollutants reach coastal waters. This reduces the risk of harmful algal blooms and helps prevent oxygen depletion in marine ecosystems. In the 1960s and 1970s, Tokyo Bay experienced severe eutrophication and low oxygen levels due to rapid urban growth and wastewater discharge. Japan invested heavily in advanced wastewater treatment and stricter nutrient controls. Over time, nutrient inputs declined, water quality improved, and oxygen conditions in the bay became more stable. In Blue Biome, the Clean Water Card reflects this positive intervention. By adding 6 oxygen, it strengthens your ecosystem and helps counter threats that reduce water quality. It's a reminder that human action can damage, but also restore, ocean systems.